What's up, everyone? We are full on a one box break of Legacy football. It'll be my first time ever doing it, seeing it. 16 packs. A lot of cards, as Genesis has been saying. So it should be fun. Next, I'm not sure. There's a lot of things in the 20 range. So a lot of things have a possibility of being next. I'll go one pack at a time. Here we go. Everything ships except veteran base. We'll ship the guys like Lamar, Patty, Brady. Dexter Lawrence autograph. It says Clemson. That goes to the Giants. It's like a silver chrome auto. First pack, we get one of our two autos. Goes to Genesis owner. Jerry Kramer insert, Philip Lindsay, Farrell rookie, and McLaurin for the Skins. Roger Craig. Rookie number /10 of Julian Love. 8 of 10, Julian Love. That goes to the Skins and Carlin. It's a nice card. Barnes and Noah Font rookie. DJ Moore Chrome, not numbered. Amari Cooper for the ages insert. It's a Gardner Minshew rookie for the Jags. Mike F. and a Mac Wilson. Got a thick card in here. Hakeem Butler patch auto. That's going to go to the Cardinals for Genesis. Hakeem Butler. Genesis gets both the autos. Humphreys. Greedy Williams and Gaskin. Billy Joe Dupree for the Cowboys, Legends. Tim Brown, rookies. Byron Murphy and Polite. Eric Metcalf for the Browns. Eli Manning, number to 100. 12 of 100 Eli for the Giants. It's a Genesis break. O'Neal. Zeke for the ages. Ryan Finley and A.J. Brown, rookie for the Titans. Mahomes. Mark Gastineau for the Jets. That one's number /50. The $2 Jets, Angela. Brett Favre record book. Deebo Samuel rookie. And a DeAndre Baker rookie. Joe Montana to 199 for the Niners. Ferguson and DK, Seahawks. Ozzie Newsome, Browns. Julian Love to 299 for the Skins. Couple of numbered Julian Loves. Riley Ridley, Ed Oliver. Sterling Sharp, Terrell Suggs. Rookies of Devin White and Josh Jacobs. Dan Marino and Jordan Thomas to 160 for the Texans. Rookie of Montgomery. Siragusa and Culp for the Chiefs. Trayvon Mullen and Benny Snell rookies. Justice Hill rookie chrome. Ravens. Breeze, Campbell, and Gary Jennings. 2 packs left. Larry Fitz record book. Jarrett Stidham rookie for the Patriots. Last pack. Brooking, Mariota to 199. Hollywood Brown and Dexter Lawrence. That is the break.